Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to deploy a scalable and highly available web application on Amazon using EC2, an application load balancer and auto-scaling group. So in this architecture I have a client that sends a request to application load balancer. The application load balancer receives it and forward it to an EC2 instance. The auto-scaling group ensures that there are enough EC2 servers to handle the traffic. If load increases, auto-scaling group launches more servers. If load decreases, auto-scaling group terminates unnecessary servers. So this architecture provides high availability, automatic scaling, and better performance, and also fault tolerance. Go to Amazon Management Console. Here, I'll go to EC2 instance. So first of all, I will create a security group. It is very important to include a security group in your launch template, especially if you're building a web application using auto-scaling group or working with a load balancer and EC2. Without a security group, your instance won't have the required firewall rules and they may not accept any traffic. So the best practice is to create the security group before creating the launch template, then creating the launch template. Simply select the existing security group. So we don't need to create a new one inside the template. We will just attach the one we have already created. So let's go to the security groups. Create a security group. I will give it a name, my web app security group. I will provide description here, allow SSH, or you can give any allow. Okay, now we have some inbound rules. I need to put it here. I will allow HTTP port 80. I will also allow HTTPS here port 443, and I will also add SSH for troubleshooting purpose. So I will do it for my okay. I will leave everything as it is. Now I will create security group. Then I will create launch template. So a launch template allows you to save all the settings needed to start an EC2 instance, such as AMI, instance type, security group, key pair, storage, and tags. So you can reuse them later or use them with auto-scaling groups. To create a new template, we just click here. I will give a name, my web app, and for my production environment. Okay, you can give description for your template. I want Amazon to guide you to make this template compatible with auto-scaling group. Next we have tags. I will leave everything as it is. Source template. This shows this allows you to copy settings from another launch template if you already have created one before. I will leave everything as it is, as I haven't created yet. Next we have application and OS images. I will browse more image AMIs. I will choose the first one. This is the free tier eligible. I'll go for it. Next we have instance type. This defines the hardware configuration of your EC2 instance. So I will choose T3 micro. This is the free tier eligible. I will choose this one. Next you can create a key pair. I will leave it as it is. Under network settings we have subnet. I will also leave it as it is because when using auto-scaling groups, Amazon will automatically pick a subnet for us. And under availability zones, one can place EC2 instances across multiple zones for high availability. So I'll leave it as it is. From the security group, I've already created, so I'll choose it from here. Next, under storage, I will keep everything as it is from now. Now we have user data here. Okay, user data allows us to run a script automatically on launch on instance launch to install software, configure the server, or start a web app. We can upload a file or simply paste or type a script manually. So if you go to Amazon Documents, Amazon EC2 Cloud, Compute Cloud here, and under instance metadata, run command, write launch, we have different scripts here. So we can use this script. We'll come here and paste it. Okay. So the first line, bin bash. This command simply defines what type of script it is. Next we have sudo yum update -y. This updates the Linux operating system packages. Next, sudo yum install httpd. This will install the Apache web server, also known as httpd. Next, I have written the command sudo systemctl start httpd. This starts the Apache web server immediately. Next, sudo systemctl enable httpd. This command makes sure that Apache automatically starts every time the server reboots. Next, I have written echo welcome to Scalable web app, and some directories here, root to the directory. This creates a simple HTML file in the web server directory. So when you done that, just create launch template. So we have successfully created a template here. If you just go here, okay. Next, I will create auto scaling group. So auto scaling is a service that helps keep your application always available. So just create here. I will give it a name, my web app security group. Scaling group, sorry, launch template. I will choose my template from here. Next, okay. From here, I need to choose availability zones and subnet. I will choose these two here. I will leave everything as it is. Next, okay. Integrate with other services. Now we have no load balancer attached to an existing load balancer, attached to a new load balancer. I don't have any existing load balancer, so I will attach a new one. I will give it a name. I can change it, but I will leave it as it is. My website needs to be accessed publicly. I will select internet facing. This allows people to access my web app from anywhere using the application load balancer DNS name. So I will do this one. I will choose these two as well. This is important. So a target group is basically a group of EC2 instances that the load balancer will send traffic to. So I will create a new target group. I'll keep the name as it is. I'll keep everything as it is. This is recommended, so I will turn it on. Next. Okay. So configure a group size. I'll keep it 2. And auto scaling minimum 1 and maximum I will go for 4. I'll keep everything as it is. Next. Okay. Let's create auto scaling. It will take a few minutes to update the capacity. It has updated. My target group now shows both EC2 instances are as healthy, which means application load balancer can reach our instances, and the security groups are now cracked. Auto scaling groups are working properly, and web server on port 80 is responding to health checks. So if I go to my application load balancer, I can copy my DNS and paste it on my web browser. You can see here the page says welcome to Scalable web app. This means everything is working correctly. So my application load balancer is receiving the traffic from the internet, and it is sending the request to the EC2 instances in my auto scaling group. Auto scaling will replace any unhealthy instances and can scale the number of server based on the traffic. So we have successfully deployed a scalable and highly available web application on Amazon using EC2 application load balancer and an auto scaling group. So if you found this video helpful, please like and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.